That's such a sick road. Look at that. Sunday morning coffee run.
Du musst ja genau.
Hey, Bröstli. Bröstli. Offen. Cheers. Cheers. Hey.
What a beauty!
Let's take the roof off. Alright, so we had a quick coffee. Let's go back home on the twisty roads. These are gonna be some fun roads. It is Sunday today, so I expect some traffic. Maybe we can't drive as we want, but yeah, we need to respect other drivers as well. And let's see what's gonna happen. My god, it's really windy. Oh, there's an hurricane over there. Or is it a Gallardo? It may be a Gallardo. Yes, it's a Gallardo. Gallardo Spider. Very nice. Also my wish list. Not the Spider, I like the coupe. But still, Gallardos are really nice. Oh, and the green. Woo. That V10. Traffic is not allowing us going the speed limit. Everyone is driving below. That's a shame. Yeah, the bikers are getting ahead because overtaking is a bit easier in a bike than in a car, especially on these roads. That was another Exige, or basically it was an Exige. I have the Elise, same color. That was really sick. Yeah, that would have been a point where I could overtake, but the corner there. Again, guys, safety, priority number one. Oh, he's giving it some beans though. want to sit up his ass. The best road here is blocked by construction. That's a shame as well. But yeah, it's not a mountain pass, it's a chill Sunday run to get some coffee. We are fine. Let us chill here for a second, because then we can drive this road how it's supposed to be. In front of there is a nice section. Alright, I think we are golden. Ran into the limiter. That's such a sick road. Nice. Let's quickly go out here and wait a second so we can have a free road again. Alright, there's a Porsche coming, so let's go. Look at this view, guys. Sometimes you don't even have to go drive for the adrenaline. You literally just enjoy the views, which is also nice, yeah. Traffic doesn't always allow for fast driving. I've lost the bikers, yeah, they're already gone, but they're gonna wait for me at some point. AMG GT, also nice. Look at that. That's exactly why I drive the speed limit. Hopefully the one coming behind me is also driving the speed limit. Coffee run over, all gonna go back home. If this video was a bit too boring for you and you like to see a bit more speed, a bit more action, adrenaline, then you should probably check out this video right here. Also look forward to going onto the mountain passes with these guys. This is kind of my gang, and much windier roads, better speed limits, you name it. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.